The Chef360 platform is an integrated set of server services that provide DevSecOps with the necessary fleet management, job management, and other supporting services. This is the first of a 5-part series on getting the Chef360 platform and Chef Courier environment deployed and configured to provide the orchestration capabilities within your organization. The hardware requirements for this installation can be found on the docs.chef.io website. In addition to the Chef360 platform and Courier configuration, a Courier Workstation will be deployed and registered to enable the necessary interpreters and skills to allow for the execution of Courier job templates. To install, run the curl command with your authorization code to download the latest version. Unzip the file and install it using the license key. Once installed, you can enter the admin console using the IP address or DNS resolver. In this demonstration, the use of Route 53 to point the host name to the machine's IP address will be used. To log into the admin console, enter the same password used during the installation of the Chef360 platform. In this demonstration, we're working with just one node. However, using this command, we can add a cluster for high availability if necessary. The next step would be the setting of the advanced configuration and add-ons. By accepting the terms and conditions, enter the primary tenant details. Configure your SMTP server to send and receive emails. For this demonstration, we're configuring Mailhog to test the installation. Enter the tenant's administrator and the certificate details and click Continue. Confirm the pre-flight checks succeed and click Deploy. The installation will take 7 to 10 minutes, and during the process, you'll be able to see the live status of the packages being installed. The next step is to download and install CLIs on Workstation. By clicking Download CLI, you're brought to the following page where you can copy these curl commands for the Chef Platform Auth, Node Management, and Courier CLI, depending on the operating system. In part 2 of this series, we'll look into registering your workstation and installing different skills.